Hey guys, so I'm back with some news, and the news is that yesterday my slime that I mixed with tons of products and everything, it's going really great. Like and if you put your finger in it, only some of it, like only one of it will like stick to your hand. They say to never ever play with it on the first day, but I don't like to listen to people, so lots of people know me, so I would say no, I am not gonna listen to them because I don't know if they're wrong or right. Okay, so that's my first one. Here's the second one. Let's do the third one first. The third one has been in this cup for already 3 days. Let's check it out. If not, I'm gonna put it for 4 days. Oh my god, it's like really good. None of the, what's it called, the marbles are sticking to me. I like this one. Never mind, it's starting to stick. Okay. So let's check out the, what's it called? The third, actually the second one. Okay, so this one is a very sticky one. And if you guys ever make this kind of slime, just be careful. Pay attention to my words. It could actually cause really big problems. Like really, it can stick on things. What do you guys think? On the comments below, you have to tell me which one you like. Is it the Starbucks green colorful ice cream or colorful ice cream Starbucks? So you gotta tell me which one you like. From then I can mostly every video I make, I would make sure that I'll play with it and show you guys how to make it, and I'm also gonna make a video how to make it, then you guys can know if you guys want to make puffy slime someday. I can tell you right now what you need. You need first you need glue, then you're gonna need food coloring, then 2 spoons of shaving cream. Then you're gonna need, trust me, this is gonna get messy, so baking soda. You're gonna need baking soda. And then you're gonna need contact solution. And second to last is Tide. If you don't have Tide, use any kind of, no, actually don't. Use Tide or buy some Tide. And lastly, put baby oil on your hand, and then put the slime on your hand and play with it, and then it doesn't get sticky. And then you have some puffy slime. So guys, if you guys want to make it, go ahead, be my guest, but I also want you guys to make a video about it and then show it on YouTube and tell me about it, and I'll go see it and put likes on it, like so much likes that you guys will have to die for it. Okay, so tell me how it goes. I'll check it out and everything. So much. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll be doing more videos later about my little 2 favorite dogs, and big dogs and old dogs. One of them is really old, one of them is like really young but really big. Okay, so guys, see you later. Well, I don't know what else to say, so see you later, crocodile. Not for long, something else. Okay guys, bye.